Hello out there, Bold Patents, Princeton. Hi, we're here to talk about Princeton, New Jersey, where Bold Patents serves inventors, entrepreneurs, and business owners just like you. Here are the top 5. These are the resources that you can use here in Princeton that I highly, highly recommend. Number 1 is SOSV. This is Save Our Souls Venture. This is an incredible fund focused on human and planetary health, but increasing the overall health and aptitude, connectedness, and solving the problems that we all need here on planet Earth. It's amazing. They invest in over 200 companies each year and have a portfolio of $1.5 billion, and that's massive. Go check them out. They do deep tech research. Some of these are coming out of the labs, the research, the university labs, and now bringing them into current technology, helping them get funded and be for-profit entities. Number 2, and this is awesome. Don't forget, this is Tiger Labs. So Tiger Labs is traditionally a co-working space, but it is a lot more than that. They also offer funding. So for inventors, entrepreneurs that are just getting started, not only allows you to collaborate with other inventors, other companies that are at the early stages, they can invest. So it's a seed fund. And not just small companies. A company by the name of Oncosurgical just came out of this Tiger Labs a couple of years ago, and now they're booming. They're making high-tech surgical instruments specifically for oncology. Number 3, can't forget about Princeton here. Princeton Innovation Center at Biolabs. Check them out. Lots of good stuff. Again, sort of this incubator setup where they've got office space, again, with the business professionals and the technical professionals help guide those companies from the lab to the marketplace. The last place is the eLab incubator at Princeton. This is a separate program, big company just got launched out of here called Carbon, which is a quantifying for neutralizing environmental impacts when there's different construction or different industries impacting. Last but not least is the Princeton's Kahneman-Treisman Center. This is for behavioral science and public policy. These 5 resources for you are incredible, and I would highly recommend you take a look and see here locally within Princeton what opportunities might be available to you and your startup to get going on entrepreneurship. If you have any questions related to inventions or patents here in Princeton, Bold Patents stands ready to help you. I'm JD Hoovener, wishing you an awesome day. Go big, go bold.